Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anne, and on this video I am going to show you guys how to make your work easier, especially if you want to do your hair on your own in an updo cornrow. So yeah, my hair has actually grown out quite a bit. So first of all, you're going to need to divide your hair into portions that are going to be easier and smaller, simpler for you to manage your cornrows. Okay, so I've already made my first partition, and I have my first portion of the hair. Now I've put the video in a fast forward because obviously we are not going to do this on a real time. It's quite a long video, so allow me to do this as you guys watch it on fast forward. Okay, so yeah, 5 portions of the hair is what I have, and this is going to be easier for me to do my hair. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Do give my video a like if this trick will make it for you. Remember to give my video a like, comment down below what you think for at the end of the video, and yeah, it's as simple as that. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do leave your comments down below. I'll make sure to reply to each and every one of you. So on here I am trying to make my buttons as straight and as smooth as possible. Also guys, the twist you saw me do at the beginning, at the center of my head, is where all my cornrows are going to be meeting. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know how I did on the comment section down below. Rate my work. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.